Hi everyone, myself Vilas Kole. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Vilas Kole _Zulos. Today we will discuss some important questions on RNA. Now, question 155. We establish that RNA is the genetic material and the options are Frankel Conrad, Sidney Brenner, Joshua River and Frederick Mister. In these questions, the right option is option A. Frankel Conrad. Now, we will discuss the question number 156. RNA is not found in, and the options are nucleus, cell sap, ribosomes and cytoplasm. In these questions, the right option will be option number B, cell sap. Now we will discuss question number 157. RNA is absent in, and the options are ribosome, cytoplasm, plasma lemma and chromosome. In these questions, the right option will be option C, plasma lemma. Now we will discuss question number 158. Which of the following molecules moves regularly from the nucleus to the cytoplasm? And the options are RNA, glycogen, DNA, cholesterol. In these questions, the right option will be option A, RNA. Now, question 159. RNA plays an important role in, and the options are cell division, synthesis of protein, digestion of protein, synthesis of carbohydrate. In these questions, the right option is option B, synthesis of protein. Now we will discuss question number 160. A ribocyte is, and the options are ribose base, ribose plus phosphate, base plus phosphate and ribose plus base plus phosphate. In these questions, the right option will be option A, ribose plus base. Now we will discuss question number 161. Find the correct combination that can form our nucleotide of RNA, and the options are uracil plus ribose plus phosphate, thiamine plus ribose plus phosphate, uracil plus deoxyribose plus phosphate. Option D, adenine plus deoxyribose plus phosphate. Option E, guanine plus deoxyribose plus phosphate. In these questions, the right option will be option A, uracil ribose plus phosphate. Now we will discuss question number 162. Adenine plus ribose plus phosphate form, and the options are adenosine, adenylic acid, adenosine diphosphate, adenosine triphosphate. In this question, the right option will be option B, adenylate acid. Question number 163. Uridine monophosphate is found in, and the options are DNA, RNA, cell wall, lysosome, centrosome. In this question, the right option will be option B, RNA. Now, question number 164. RNA contains, and the options are hexose, ribose, fructose, glucose. In these questions, the right option is option B, ribose. Now, question number 165. Which of the following scientist was awarded Nobel Prize in 1959 for in vitro synthesis of polyribonucleotides? And the options are Okia, Khurana, Nirenberg, and Kornberg. In these questions, the right option will be Okia. Now, question number 166. Who was awarded Nobel Prize for the synthesis of RNA in 1959? And the options are H.J. Khurana, Nirenberg, A. Kornberg, and S. Oka. In this question, the right option will be H.J. Khurana, that is Hargobind Khurana. Question 167. DNA and RNA are different molecules as, and the options are DNA has uracil and RNA has thymine. DNA has thymine and RNA has uracil. DNA has cytosine and RNA has guanine. And DNA is micromolecule and RNA is macromolecule. In this question, the right option will be option B. That is, DNA has thymine and RNA has uracil. Now, question 168. Pyrimidine base present in RNA but not in DNA. And the options are uracil, adenine, guanine, and thymine. In these questions, the right option will be option A, uracil. Now, question number 169. RNA differs from DNA in having, and the options are adenine, uracil, thymine, cytosine, cytosine. In this question, the right option will be option B, uracil. Now we will discuss question number 170. Pyrimids of RNA are represented by, and the options are uracil and guanine, adenine and cytosine, and uracil, thymine and cytosine. In these questions, the right option will be option C, cytosine and uracil. Now we will discuss question number 171. Which purine base is found in RNA? And the options are uracil, guanine, thymine and cytosine. In these questions, the right option will be option B, guanine. Now we will discuss question number 172. One of the following nitrogenous base is not present in RNA. Now from that four options, choose one. And the options are thymine, uracil, guanine and cytosine. In these questions, the right option will be option A, thymine. Now we will discuss question number 173. Double-stranded RNA is present in, and the options are chloroplast, reovirus, mitochondria and bacteria. In these questions, the right option will be option B, reovirus. Now we will discuss question number 174. Which of the following is not a difference between RNA and DNA? And the options are RNA has 5 base and DNA has 4. RNA has uracil and DNA has thymine. RNA has ribose and DNA has deoxyribose. RNA is a single polynucleotide strand and DNA is a double strand. In these questions, the right option will be option A. RNA has 5 base and DNA has 4. Now we will discuss question number 175. All of the following description of eukaryotic RNA are true except RNA is normally single-stranded. The ratio of ribose to base equals 1. Unit of uridine equals unit of adenine. It derives from antiparallel complementary DNA. In these questions, the right option will be option C. Units of uridine equals units of adenine. Now question number 176. The type of RNA specifically responsible for directing the proper sequence of amino acids in protein synthesis, and the options are rRNA, tRNA, chromosomal RNA, mRNA. In this question, the right option will be option D, mRNA. Now we will discuss question number 177. Synthesis of mRNA from DNA is termed as, and the options are transduction, transfection, transformation and transcription. In these questions, the right option will be option D, transcription. Now we will discuss question number 178. Transcription takes place in, and the options are matrix, cytosol, nucleus, cytoplasm. In these questions, the right option will be option C, nucleus. Question number 179. Transcriptional control in eukaryotes may involve changes in chromatin structure, amount of chromatin, both option A, option B, none of this. In this questions 179, the right option will be option C. Is both A and B. Now we will discuss question number 180. During transcription, the DNA site at which RNA polymerase binds is called, and the options are receptor, promoter, enhancer, regulator. In these questions, the right option will be option B, promoter. That region is known as promoter region. Question number 181. RNA polymerase 2 in eukaryotes is responsible for synthesis of, and the options are rRNA, tRNA, mRNA, hnRNA. In these questions, the right option will be option C. mRNA. Now question number 182. mRNA is made up of, and the options are ribonucleotides, deoxyribonucleotides, ribonucleoside, deoxyribonucleoside. In the questions, the right option will be option A, ribonucleotides. Question number 183. Triplet codon refers to sequence of 3 bases on, and the options are tRNA, mRNA, rRNA, all of the above. In this question 183, the right option will be option B, mRNA. And the last question 184. Nuclear DNA sends information for protein synthesis. True, and the options are tRNA, mRNA, rRNA, all of the above. In this question, the right option will be option C, mRNA.